Automatic transfer switches, ATS, an essential component in solar PV systems. ATS automatically switches between solar, battery, grid, and diesel generator for seamless, reliable power. The ATS works silently in the background, watching every power source for you. When the grid fails, it immediately switches to solar or battery, keeping your operations active without a single second lost. No manual switching, no interruptions, no risk. ATS keeps your power running without delays or human action, so critical loads never stop during a failure. It also protects your system by preventing backfeeding and stabilizing voltage, ensuring your equipment stays safe. And by using solar and battery first, it reduces fossil fuel use and lowers your operating cost. There are 4 main types of ATS. A manual ATS requires the user to switch power sources themselves. An automatic ATS does the switching on its own, usually for smaller systems. A smart ATS makes decisions based on which loads are more important. And a hybrid ATS can manage multiple sources at once to support critical loads. A manual ATS requires the user to switch sources and is used for basic loads in small or rural systems, with no automatic changeover during power failure. An automatic ATS switches power sources on its own the moment there's a change in supply. It keeps essential loads running without any manual action and ensures a smooth, continuous power flow for everyday operations. A smart ATS prioritizes solar first, then battery, and uses the grid or generator only when needed. It can be programmed to cut diesel use and extend battery life. It also supports remote monitoring for telecom, commercial, and industrial systems, and integrates with inverters, EMS, and SCADA for advanced control. A hybrid ATS manages solar, battery, grid, and generator all at the same time. It can shed loads to protect critical services and ensure non-stop power for hospitals, data centers, and water plants. Even if the grid completely fails, it eliminates downtime. ATS is used in different solar PV applications to ensure continuous and reliable power. And hybrid systems, it switches between solar, battery, grid, or generator. In commercial and industrial setups, it protects operations by giving backup power. It also powers critical services like hospitals, telecom, water plants, and schools. And in remote sites or mini-grids, it keeps off-grid locations running without interruption. At Green. Precision. Purpose. Progress. We are dedicated to driving progress and creating a lasting impact through innovative and sustainable energy solutions.